So have you just bought something on eBay and it was either a very good experience or a very bad experience and you want to leave a review? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can leave a review on that seller, no matter if it's positive, negative, or neutral. And I'm going to show you how to do it all on your mobile phone. So when you first open up the eBay app, you're going to be on the home page and you're going to want to go to your recently purchased items. And for that, go ahead and click My eBay on the bottom. Then you'll see purchases right there. It's the fourth one down by the looks of it. And just go ahead and click it. And if some of your purchases don't have a leave feedback button, then that's probably because you need to leave feedback within 60 days after the listing ends. Otherwise, you cannot leave feedback. So anyway, go ahead and click on the leave feedback button. Then it'll take you to a page looking like this. It'll show you a lot of information and we'll start from top to bottom. So the first question, how was your experience? Positive, neutral, or negative? Go ahead and pick one. Now, from this, you're going to want to write what else would you add. Just write a comment, a message. Maybe it could be something like, great quality and fast shipping time. Then, for the item description, go ahead and rate it whatever you want. And then, seller communication, go ahead and rate that whatever you want again. And after you've filled out everything, you'll be left with a leave feedback button. And once you're done, go ahead and press that leave feedback. It'll load and it'll say thanks for your feedback. And if you want to know how to leave feedback to buyers, then go ahead and watch this video where I show you this exact same tutorial but leaving it on buyers.